Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add two different call to action buttons on Facebook page. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to easily add two buttons on your Facebook page. First of all, open Facebook and now switch to your Facebook page. Go to your page profile and tap on this three dot next to edit. Tap on add action button, and as you can see, currently I don't have any action button on my Facebook page, and I will add now two buttons. So tapping on edit buttons, and from these available buttons, select two different buttons for your Facebook page. I'm selecting messages and selecting book now. Selecting sign up, and here I'm adding my website dummy link, and all you have to do is just tap on save. And now I'm going to reloading my page, tapping on view as, and as you can see, two action button add date. You can customize your button anytime you want. Just come to this edit action button section, and now from here you can remove any button, you can add a different button. So this is how we can add two buttons on Facebook page. And note one thing, that you won't be able to add more than two buttons. As you can see, if I try to reselect any button, here we can see button not selecting because I've already selected two buttons. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.